This is
What weird sadistic scheme are they cooking up now?
oh, you're not gonna pull me, no. So the drill, all right? We'll get up to all 8. We'll start out stern 6, then we'll add in bow pair, and we'll go all 8. You get 10 strokes. On the 10th stroke, you're all gonna lay down flat. Literally, go back. Okay? Why are you laughing, Judith?
What are we doing with our oars?
Yeah.
You feather them.
On the water.
You feather them and leave them on the water, just like that. Okay? You just lay all the way down, and then we will call you up.
Judith, you've got the best seat in the house.
Then we'll call you up. We'll go, it'll be like you fall like dominoes, and then you come back up like dominoes.
Is this like a form of beer pong?
It's a hazing ritual.
We can do this.
You can do this, yeah.
It's a little camera.
You want?
Alright, you want to do another drill?
No, that's good.
Well, now I gotta see what this one goes. Whoa.
We're good.
We're up for it.
You want to play Speed Racer?
We'll do that one
Go
first.
to the catch and see who can get the kingpin in the water first. They're Orlock in the water first. Kosai can get it in first.
No.
Let's do the other. We'll do the lay down.
No, so this drill, all it does is make you use your core and swing back. The further you go back, the more you got to tighten up your body. And then you come up. It just makes you do it.
So if you have no core, you don't come up.
Those 10 strokes, the idea behind those 10 strokes is full pressure. So the boat gets going fast, then you lay down, and then the boat's going fast. Make sense?
Not really.
Do you want to try it or no?
Yeah,
We'll try it.
Yeah.
All right.